got some shit beside me, put some shit behind me. Driving, smoking ZA, got me cloudy. High as Robert Downey. ScooTa T, if they do that, gatekeeping shit, I go around it. Higher living, this shit so astounding, this shit so astounding. Niggas lousy, talking my shit drowsy, talking my shit drowsy. Beat this shit, Brody pulled up Jeep, Brody pulled up Audi. Keep that bitch, I don't let that bad energy come around me. New Kasubi, baby, so arousing, this shit so astounding. Late night text, call up ScooTa T, you looking for a pound and double text. Bitches bout some paper, I'ma overhound it. By myself, I got God with me when I'm out standing grounded. Going up, shit was too overcrowded when you niggas doubted. Hut one, hut two, just like a scrim, please don't get offended. Spit dope every sentence, hold up, let me put the ScooTa T in it. Trapping with the new Balenciaga tennis, let me hit that pussy till it get diminished. The black denim with the heavy wax finish, the shit for the how they stay with tax in it. Them niggas can't do it the way I did it. Rough and rowdy, got some shit beside me, put some shit behind me. Driving, smoking ZA, got me cloudy. High as Robert Downey. ScooTa T, if they do that, gatekeeping shit, I go around it. Higher living, this shit so astounding, this shit so astounding. Rough and rowdy, got some shit beside me, put some shit behind me. Driving, smoking ZA, got me cloudy. High as Robert Downey. ScooTa T, if they do that, gatekeeping shit, I go around it. Higher living, this shit so astounding, this shit so astounding.
Fuck you, Ali. Memphis got the money, babe.
Bang with gorillas out the jungle. You looking like you down to put that pom pom on me. I'm just already down the Royal Rumble. I'm with the rude boy, they don't wanna run with me.
I got a play to make sure you never fumble on me. I'm breaking down the pressure, had to make it crumble on me. She wanna take a picture, she know I got humble with me. She knew I was the nigga when she stumbled on me.
Load the bars, they ain't speaking for herself. Running lots around these niggas, good for my health. Tank top for the nigga, pressure can't rock the new belt. Grown now, you should run for Troy and see it grand. How you speaking on something you don't know? I ain't even tell you that. Bad girl, throw that pom pom, made me double back. My love ain't enough for discussion, we ain't gon' get in that. Only time I ever get hurt, paper cut, find them rap. Hey, I'm outside, gorillas around me, don't you be worried. Would you still be beside me if I never wanna put these verses in? You know, ride or die, mean twin cars with the curtains in it. Bang with gorillas out the jungle. You looking like you down to put that pom pom on me. I'm just already down the Royal Rumble. I'm with the rude boy, they don't wanna run with me.
I got a play to make sure you never fumble on me. I'm breaking down the pressure, had to make it crumble on me. She wanna take a picture, she know I got humble with me. She knew I was the nigga when she stumbled on me. I'm ScooTa T, she wanna put that tongue up on me. I had to take a break, the baby got too sprung up on me. I'm pulling up to see her, I don't need company. She wanna touch her toes and put her bum on me. I already know how this shit go, I went 2 steps, 1, 2, 3. I know it's cute to you, that shit they do is no good to me. Right or wrong, then I'm going if you rollin' with me. I get this dough with my bro, that's the way it should be. I'm running circles round these niggas daily, I'm too activated. You can't get no money with me, baby, you too lackadaisical. I've been putting work and up in prices, might pass up your payment. Leaky know I'm down to get some paper, ride around with Jay. Music for niggas, only ducking preachers and the affidavits. Smoking while I'm speeding, driving down the highway and my glasses shaded. Almost asked it on my number 9, I asked it, can you pass it, baby? ScooTa T, I know what to do with it, I'ma activate it. ScooTa TM. She a killer like Shakita, and I'm down to meet it. I just pulled up on the ScooTa TM and the 2-seater. Baby know I'm down to shoot my shot just like a buzzer beater. And she say she down to let it burn, I'm down to overheat it. On that ass she got the tiger mark, she wilder than a cheetah. I like how she make that pussy pop, I probably never leave it. She might probably tell me the truth, but I never believe it. I like how she tryna take it up just like an elevator. ScooTa TM watching what you doing like a speculator. Got me locked in this private session, gotta text me later. Talking like she wanna escalate it, I'ma escalate. escalator. Cool baby, not the Escalade, it's the Terminator. She want me interrogate that pussy, I investigate it. Niggas, they be doing too much cap like Tupperware containers. Baby told me pull up where she at, I'm a detonator. She want me to choke her from the back, I'm a penetrator. Every day is about that paper, not no legislature. Put the pedal to the metal, I'm accelerating. She a teacher, well, I'm down to fuck her educator. When she stressed, she gonna call me, come and brag it later. Told her come and take a ride on this respirator. I'm in the doing on the vision when I separate her. Caught her looking like a vibe, like a decorator. I can see it in her eyes, she decimate. ScooTa T, baby, know I'm real like a golden desert. Flyer than a feather, and you know I'm higher than the sea. Number 9 in the collar denim, I don't fuck with these. Baby, I'm a dog, she want me to fuck her like a bitch. She be lucky if she ever get to make it to the secret. Danny Glover, Dolce and Gabbana, Brody tucking lethal. ScooTa T, I came a long way, you little dirty weeds. Baby, know that everything I do, even my car legal. She a killer like Shakita, and I'm down to meet it. I just pulled up on the ScooTa TM and into the seat. Baby know I'm down to shoot my shot just like a buzzer beater. And she say she down to let it burn her, down to overheat it. On that ass she got the tiger mark, she wilder than a cheetah. I like how she make that pussy pop, I probably never leave her. She might probably tell me the truth, but I never believe her. I like how she tryna take it up just like an elevator. She a killer like Shakita, and I'm down to meet it. I just pulled up on the ScooTa TM and into the seat. Baby know I'm down to shoot my shot just like a buzzer beater. And she say she down to let it burn her, down to overheat it. On that ass she got the tiger mark, she wilder than a cheetah. I like how she make that pussy pop, I probably never leave her. She might probably tell me the truth, but I never believe her. I like how she tryna take it up just like an elevator. Running that pussy like a track meet. I put love, drop it on her like a taxi. I go rip all them draws from all them ass cheeks. In the gym with his weight just like an athlete. I pull on her head like she said attack me. I just came from bustin' plays on the back street. She put dick in her throat like Janet Jack me. I beat up in that pussy in the backseat. Bustin' that pussy in the backseat. Bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I just came from bustin' plays on the back street. She put dick in her throat like Janet Jack me. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I'm still smoking on extra shit from last week. Got a bag of GG like Doug or Gatsby. She do what I say to a T exactly. I like that pressure, it get nasty. I'm tryna see if that little pussy messy. She wanna let a nigga see her naked. I wanna know if you down to let me stretch it. ScooTa TM, she feel it when she met me. I'm pulling up, I beat it in a second. I kiss that pretty pussy, don't neglect it. I beat that pussy down, that shit get hectic. I hit that pussy like it's unprotected. I was just handing it out, no regret. Drop that location, send her my direction. She took the scene as soon as I sent the text. She get that brain up like I gave a lesson. I gave a £quarter and him a blessing. I'll drop the number for you if you stressing. I sell that drug like niggas at concessions. I knock that pussy out like a profession. She bout to vacuum seal it and compress it. I picked it up, it's right in my possession. That's on the play like time for the collection. She say my name out like it's a confession. Running that pussy like a track meet. I put love, drop it on her like a taxi. I go rip all them draws from all them ass cheeks. In the gym with his weight just like an athlete. I pull on her head like she said attack me. I just came from bustin' plays on the back street. She put dick in her throat like Janet Jack me. I beat up in that pussy in the backseat. Bustin' that pussy in the backseat. Bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I just came from bustin' plays on the back street. She put dick in her throat like Janet Jack me. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. I've been bustin' that pussy in the backseat. ScooTa. Is you down to ride with a nigga? Is you gonna dip and slide if the wheels don't go? Put that pride to the side when the shit don't go. The way we decided this shit was gonna go. I can't tell no lies to you, oh no. I was breaking down on pies for you, you know. Put my bitches to the side for you, but we both know that I'ma do what I decide to do. Why you looking at me like I got your mind confused? I was trying to be a winner, I wasn't trying to lose. It feel like the beginning when I'm to the side of you. And break the rules, feeling like I can confide in you. Grinding daily cause I know a 9 to 5 won't do. My bitch told me she seen jealousy in the eyes of you. I can't judge a nigga, people categorizing you. If you so beautiful, why would a nigga lie to you? ScooTa TM, I've been riding down the avenue. I'm about to come and serve a zip from out this bag. She gon' be all I want, but she don't know the cash. I bet that money made that bitch do what you asked her to. I asked for you, make it flip just like gymnastics do. I got my cup, I got my scale, I got some plastic too. I got a play to make them feeling like it's passes due. Serving pressure to you, dressed up, send me casual. I'm right on Pennsylvania Ave, down the ride with a nigga. Or is you gonna dip and slide, the wheels don't go. Put that pride to the side when the shit don't go. The way we decided that shit was gonna go. I can't tell no lies to you, oh no. I was breaking down them pies for you, you know. Put my bitches to the side for you, but we both know that I'ma do what I decide to do. Is you down to ride with a nigga? Or is you gonna dip and slide, the wheels don't go. Put that pride to the side when the shit don't go. The way we decided that shit was gonna go. I can't tell no lies to you, oh no. I was breaking down them pies for you, you know. Put my bitches to the side for you, but we both know that I'ma do what I decide to do.